Come here. Whip me up.
Got him. Got him. Ooh, look at him. What's going on, CL family? We out here at the chicken farm today. See the pond? I already done caught one. He probably about 3.5 pounds. I'll post a picture right here. But today, we got 3 different types of jig that I want to try. You know, it's spring, they on the bank, they spawning, so I want to try them out. I'm thinking about giving each lure 30 minutes. I have a flipping jig, a bladed jig, and a swim jig. And then plus I'm gonna have a trailer for each one of them. I have the I think I have all the Jacob Wheeler lures to have a trailer with it. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna see, can we get some hogs in here? Yeah, the one I already caught was right there beside that little brush pile right there. Let's see if he's back in there again. See, they got some hogs in here, so. See, I deliver chicken feed for my normal job, for my day job. And so this is one of our farms right here. The lure that I'm using, I forgot what brand, but I think it's a Dirty Jigs tackle jig, and he messed my jig up. They got a Cracking Crawl Junior on there, and we're gonna flip it in these weeds on the outside of these weeds. Yeah, overcast today, about 75 to 78 degrees. There we go. There we go. Ah, he broke off. He was huge. He was huge. Ah. Broke off. See what we can do now. Man. Might have a chance of breaking that PB today. I don't know how deep it is. There we go. There we go. Got another one. Yeah, you wanted it, didn't you? Yes, sir. There we go. I don't know how big he is. I left my scale at home, but give a 2 pounds. Flew back on the bank. That's number 3. Missed him. Got him. Got him. Come here. Come here. Come here. There we go. There we go. Come here. Come here. There we go. We got one on the swim jig now. Ooh, look at him. Boy, it's beautiful. Good hefty. Come here. Come here. Come here. Nice. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Ah, she threw it. It must be a bed right here. Gotta be a bed. I think her bed's right here. Should have brought my net. There we go. Come here. Got her. I got her. Come here. Come here. Come here. There we go. Whip me up. There we go, baby. Let's go. There we go. I need my pliers. Got a deal. Caught a gill. There we go. There we go. Caught a gill. Hope he survived. Go and get him back in the water. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got another big one. Another big one. Look how fat they are, man. Good, good. There we go. Come here. Hope his teeth don't cut my line. I feel it too. I hope I ain't good hook 'em. There we go. Let's get down here to the other camera. Got us a good one. There we go, baby. Finally got one on the moose minnow. Yes, sir. Big boy. There. I left the pliers down there. Had to walk down there and get the pliers. That moose minnow got him that time. Yes, sir. Probably about a good 2.5, 3. I don't know how many this is. We're gonna look back at the camera and see, but that's a good one right there.